So guys, trading has been made very simple. I don't know what you keep hearing about trading being very difficult. I don't know what is so difficult about trading. Hmm? I've been trading this same strategy for over a long time and I've been very profitable. It works so well for me. So I'm very sure it's going to work for you if you implement the right techniques, okay? I've been trading this simple strategy, not even using the RSI divergence, no moving average, no Fibonacci retracement tools, no technical analysis tools, just pure price action. How easy can trading actually get, right? So in today's video, I'm going to prove that to you, okay? I'm going to show you how it works. So just dive deep in with me as I walk you through the process I actually use in trading this simple
Video, we're
strategy.
going to be focusing on Ethereum. As we all know, Ethereum as the second largest cryptocurrency, right? So, just like I've always said, you don't really need a lot in order to trade. You can actually start trading without even learning those indicators like the Fibonacci retracement, the RSI divergence. All you need to do is understand price action. Just understand what the chart is currently telling you. Okay. If you look at this Ethereum chart now, as you can see, this was the 2017 highs, and then we now have the 2021 highs, right? So we had this higher high, higher low, which is the market structure. We had this high, and then price broke the market structure here, right? This was the last support that actually caused price to break the market structure, right? So we outline that out. Just one line is what we need. Just one line. We do this in green. As you can see, this was the last support that price actually had on its way up, right? So as you can see, price just broke it because that is where price or the price is currently trading at the moment. That is why it is the area where we need to focus on. So just one line is what you need. As you can see, just one line. Price is currently ranging around that support. So right now, are we going to get a breakout, right, and a continuation to the upside, or a breakdown and a continuation to the downside? That is what we need to figure out. And then since we've been able to, map out just this one line of support, the next thing we need to do is map out this range environment. As you can see, price is currently ranging around that key support level, right? So we need to map out that ranging environment now. That's just as simple as that. So right now, what we need to see now is, as you can see, price came down here and got a support, right? And then price rallied to the top here, and then we got this high here. Let's outline that level as well. And we do that in red. So as you can see, we have the levels, right? Price is currently ranging around this level. So we probably need to see a break out of this level or a break back inside of this level. So just like I said in my last video, if price is currently trading as a range, all you need to do is treat it as one until we see a break out of that range, right? Either here or here. So it's as simple as that. So now that we've been able to outline our levels, knowing that this was the last support that price broke, right? And then price is currently trading or ranging around that support. Now we've been able to map out our ranging environment, making this the support, the resistance, and then this as the support, right? As you can see. So price is still currently just ranging around this level. So now that we've been able to figure that out, now we already know where price currently is. We know what we need to see or the next possible price movement. As you can see, price is currently at the top. So it's either we get a break out of this level now. So this is a key area that we really need to watch out for. As you can see now, price actually reacted in that area and then started pushing down to the low. So in order for us to get an execution, we move to the lower time frame. So we move to the weekly and see what price is telling us on the weekly. So as you can see, this is the weekly chart, and this was the key higher time frame support, right? So price actually got a little bit outside of that support and then got back in, right? We call this a deviation or a swing failure of the key support level, right? So immediately price got out of it and then got back in. We got a retest. That is more like a break and retest. And then I started shorting my Ethereum. That was more like a signal that made me start shorting Ethereum. So you can actually go to the lower time frame as well to get a clearer execution. more like the daily and the 4 hours. So this is on the daily time frame now. As you can see, price pushed out of the key resistance and then go back in, right? Immediately go back in, it came and then we tested the key resistance, and from then it has started selling off, right? Price is still trading around that main support level. So what I actually did was I sold or shorted Ethereum at this level, and then I took my profits around this level. So the next possible move I will be looking to take is once we see a clean break back below this key support level, I'll be looking to short Ethereum. So as you can see how simple it is, all I did was I just sold at the top and then I'll buy at the bottom. As simple as that. Price does not really need to. The only difference is that you only need to go to the lower time frame to look for a clearer execution, just like I showed you here on the daily. Same thing if you move to the 4 hours, it's still the same thing. So all you need to do is sell at the top and then buy at the bottom. Price will not always play out that way 100%, but over a long period of time, the strategy has been tested to be profitable over a long period of time. It's as simple as that. As long as you're able to understand the context of price from the higher time frame and what price is currently telling you, where is the ranging environment, just like we have here. Once you've been able to, understand that, then you're good to go. Because most of the time you see a lot of people longing into a resistance without any clear confirmation that okay, price has actually broken and then to the upside. You see a lot of people actually taking a buy from here. Well, once in a while it can still play out that way, but it has been proven that it is very likely that at the key resistance level, price tends to, sell off. So that is the strategy I have been using for a very long time, and I've been making a lot of money from it. I wait patiently for my setup because 9 times out of 10, trading is a game of patience. You might have the best strategy in the world, but if you're not patient enough to wait for your own setup, then at the end of the day, you will end up not being profitable. It's as simple as that. Once you learn discipline and patience to wait for your own setup, then over a long period of time, you will be very, very profitable. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, okay? Subscribe if you want me to make more of this content for you. It is very, very, very profitable, I assure you. Once you start getting to understand it, you will see how simple it is to make money just buying at the top and selling at the bottom. So please share this video if you find it very educative, and then please like the video, okay? It helps the algorithm, okay? And I'll see you in the next one.